Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here. And the video I have for you today is going to be a package opening. I've been waiting for this package for quite a few months now. This is coming all the way from England from Daz Evers. He makes some really fantastic picks, and the last pick that he made, I will link up on the top here. That one was made out of cocobolo, and that one really blew me away. When I saw his video on one of the snakewood picks he made, I fell in love with it instantly, and it is finally here. I cannot wait to get a first look at this snakewood pick with you guys together. This is going to be such a fantastic opening, and I cannot wait to get this box open right now. So please stay tuned, and we're going to get this pick taken out in just a second. Alright, so let's get to business here. Let's open up this package and we're going to see what's inside. This is going to be the snakewood pick, and I just cannot wait to open it up. I'm going to try to do my best to not flip the package around too much because there's some information on it. I've covered up Daz Evers' address with the sticker here, but hopefully we'll be able to get this open rather quickly. I am so excited for this pick. You guys do not even know. Daz Evers, thank you again for being so kind to want to make me another pick. I really enjoy your work, and I just feel so fortunate to have another one. Alright, so that slid out very nicely. I don't believe anything else is in there, so let's just open up the package. He always does a really nice job protecting everything, making sure the picks will arrive safely, because sometimes the post office can be a little rough. Alright, so coming out right now, snakewood. Cannot wait to get a better look at this. Let me get you guys a close-up as we take this pick out. So as you can see, this is called snakewood. It's in its own protective box, and this is going to be a world's first view of Daz Evers' snakewood pick. So looking down the inside, you can see that it is very nicely protected in there. I'm going to try to push it through with my Jason Carlson pick. And here it comes. So it's wrapped up in a nice little napkin. Keep it from getting scratched up. And here is the snakewood pick. Now, that is just a really beautiful wood. I don't know if you guys can truly see that captured in the 1080p on this camera, but this camera usually does a pretty good job at giving you a nice sharp image. But I really like the look of the wood. You can see how it almost has the look of a snake. You can see the brown and black areas. He has his hollowed out pins here that hold this pick together. The entire thing is just very smooth in the hand. The only thing I immediately see that I might like better is if the handle were just a smidge longer. But besides that, it fits very well because I typically rest my finger on the shank of the pick anyway. I like that it has a pretty shallow profile, so that will fit into most locks. And one thing I'm seeing right now is that it has a pretty short shank height, which is actually very advantageous. A lot of the locks that you're trying to get into, the shank height can get in the way and it can cause oversets, and this pick is not going to cause that problem as long as the steel is going to be nice and strong. I feel like this pick is going to be able to slip into a lot of Yale locks and a lot of those locks with a little bit of the difficult keyways. And I just want to say, Daz Evers, from a first look and having not used it, this looks like it's going to be a fantastic pick, and I just cannot believe how well of a job that you do. It has such a nice luster to the finish on the pick profile. The wood is just flawlessly smooth. It has a really, really nice look to it, and the pick holds very nicely in the hand. Maybe a little bit of a longer handle would have been ideal, but all in all, this has a very sleek profile. It is very compact. It fits very well, and I just thank you so much for making it. You do such a fantastic job making all of your picks, and I just feel so lucky to know that I possess two of them. thank you again for making this for me and sending it to me all the way from England. I really appreciate it. And if anyone hasn't checked out Daz Evers' channel, I highly recommend you check him out. He's always making really nice challenge locks. He's making nice custom picks for the community. And he's just a really great guy. He's very easy to come in contact with and just start up a conversation. So if you'd like to check out Daz Evers, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here, and you can click on the YouTube card, and that will bring you directly over to his channel. You can check out some of his work and consider subscribing to him if you enjoy what you see. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. This has been the unboxing and world's first view of Daz Evers' snakewood pick that he sent me. I am very happy with it, and I am so excited to add it to my collection. But if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out. And I hope to do a review on this video, on this pick down the road. And thank you again to Daz Evers for sending this out to me.